Hi, I'm Venkatesh Parthasarathy. I head the marketing and export business for Lotte India Corporation Limited. We are headquartered in Chennai, and Lotte India Corporation has been in India since 2004, post the takeover of Parry Confectionery. We are a respectable player in the confectionery market. Our brand Lotte Choco-Pie enjoys near monopoly status since 2010. We needed a complete makeover of our website, largely because the company was planning a lot of digital initiatives on our brands for Coffee Bite and for Choco-Pie. The idea was to seamlessly integrate the brand offering and the company in total. We've been looking for the right partner since mid 2018. And the challenge was to get the right agency which had a great balance of technical and creative skills. After a long hunt, obviously when One Point Size was on board handling our confectionery business, we were referred to Open Designs by Ananta, one of the co-founders of One Point Size, and that is how we came to know about Open Designs. Our first meeting was sometime in July 2019, wherein Sri Krishna and his team had come over to obviously understand our requirements and also to showcase what Open Designs could offer to its clients. During the meeting, it was quite clear that Sri Krishna had an excellent framework to understand our pain areas and needs. Our concerns regarding technical and creative capabilities was well addressed by Srimati, who obviously put all our concerns to rest. Once we onboarded Open Designs, the idea was to identify the fundamental theme basis which the website would be designed around. We decided that we will focus on growth as the fundamental theme for the company, seeking to address the following stakeholders. The first being prospective employees and existing employees, which is to establish that Lotte India is a great company to work for and work with. The second, essentially targeted at prospective customers, vendors, suppliers, who were obviously seeking to reach out to the right department wherein they could start their partnership with us. The third basically was to, obviously a lot of customers were looking for understanding our brands and what we have on offer. So that is the third requirement. The fourth stakeholder essentially being investors and the press looking for financial information on the company, and also looking out on what new launches this company has actually put up. The theme was quite clear. Then what we had to do was get all the individual departments from purchase to logistics to HR to finance. All these departments had their own requirements regarding the website. So we had to address their concerns. All their requirements were put in place. Workflow and cadence process were also put along with timelines and responsibilities. Legal requirements, statutory requirements, we had to comply with were also put in place. Concept to live took us 3 months on the dot, with the website up and running from October 15th, 2019. A modern design with quality content, powerful visuals, cohesive branding, and a mobile-friendly experience is how I'd sum the website created by Open Designs. I would identify 3 differentiators that are hard to beat Open Designs on. First, a clear what to do, how to do approach. 2, a solutioning mindset driven towards addressing clients' pain areas and needs. The third, a great balance of creative technical skills which will simply wow you.